All right, this is a checkup on the blue worm bin. And last week I fed it Purslane or verdolaga in Spanish. And I just want to check up on it, see how they did on it, see if they ate it, see if they hated it. I fed it in the middle, in the center here. It's a watermelon rind, which all that's left is the skin. And the verdolaga, it's just vines. But it looks like they were eating it. No, since they were mainly vines, they weren't not too exciting for them to eat. Oops, I don't know. You could see there's just some in the bedding here. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. That although it probably wasn't their favorite, they would still eat it. And I'm sure as the month progresses, we will have fewer and fewer verdolaga vines or plant stems. So that's it for the worm bin, blue worm bin. I will go ahead and feed it up again off camera and all that fun stuff. So this is a nice quick short one. The worms are doing great. I see them here trying to evade captivity from my hand. There are babies here as well, so they're doing fine. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.